In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert pictures in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business report, or a slideshow for a meeting, adding images can make your slides more engaging, more professional, and much easier to understand. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, including how to position and resize your images properly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow PowerPoint tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Go ahead and locate your presentation file, usually saved as a .pptx file, and double-click to open it. Once your presentation loads, navigate to the slide where you want to insert the picture. You can either choose an existing slide or create a new one by clicking on New Slide in the Home tab. Now that you're on the slide where you want the image, look at the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab contains all the options for adding different types of content to your slide, including pictures, shapes, charts, text boxes, and more. After clicking on Insert, find and click on Pictures. When you click on Pictures, you'll see a few different options depending on your version of PowerPoint. To insert an image that is saved on your computer, click on This Device. This option allows you to browse files stored locally on your computer. Once you click on This Device, a File Explorer window will open. From here, navigate to the folder where your image is saved. Click on the image you want to use, then click Insert at the bottom of the window. As soon as you do that, the picture will appear on your slide. Now that your image is inserted, you can click and drag it to move it anywhere on the slide. Simply hover your mouse over the image, click and hold, then drag it to your desired position. This allows you to align it with text, center it on the slide, or place it wherever it fits best in your layout. Next, let's resize the image. Click on the picture and you'll notice small circular handles appear around the corners and sides. To resize proportionally and avoid stretching the image, click and drag one of the corner handles inward to make the image smaller or outward to make it larger. Using the corner handles keeps the image dimensions balanced so it doesn't look distorted. If needed, you can also use the Picture Format tab that appears when the image is selected. From there, you can crop the image, add borders, apply picture styles, adjust brightness, or even add effects. But for basic insertion, moving, and resizing, the steps we just covered are all you need. And that's it. That's how you insert pictures in PowerPoint quickly and easily. Open your presentation, go to Insert, click Pictures, choose This Device, select your image, then drag to position and resize as needed. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how your presentation looks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.